artificial intelligence is everywhere, driving headlines, transforming products, and redefining creativity with a promise to make our lives easier. As these tools evolve at an unprecedented rate, students are expected to navigate a world that adults are still figuring out. We need to understand what AI can do, how it can shape the future, and what risks it may introduce. This leads to an important question. What is AI, and how do we ensure it is used safely, ethically, and responsibly? This is where we come in. Through the TCS goIT AI Suite, students shift from consuming AI content to creating it with intent. They learn how AI works, how to challenge its outputs, and how prompt changes can significantly alter outcomes. What students need now goes beyond access to AI. They need firm understanding, a foundation rooted in curiosity, responsibility, and critical thinking. The program helps students recognize what is accurate, what may be biased, and how to use emerging technologies responsibly. They shape their ideas through storyboards, which evolve into prototypes, allowing students to bring their thinking alive as decision makers, testers, and creators. The goIT AI Suite, designed to be purposeful, age-appropriate, and classroom-ready, offers free K-12 curriculum with educator resources and training that helps students explore, build, and create meaningful solutions. Students emerge inspired to innovate with purpose, equipped to use AI thoughtfully, ethically, and responsibly. TCS Go Innovate Together, empowering minds and shaping futures.